Another day, another video. That's what I like to say. What the heck is going on with this? Well, I'll show you here in a minute. If you were with me last time, and I hope you were, I had just applied a second coat of roofing material over these steps. Doesn't it look really good? I hope you saw the previous ones before that and before that and before that. That shows all the different things I did. I recalked everything. I put 2 coats of primer on here, 1 coat of the mold killing primer, 1 coat of kills primer. Then I caulked everything. I caulked all the inside corners, the inside here and the inside up in here, and all the way along the edge. As you can see, I've got some of the mastic on the stucco walls, but that's okay. I wanted to make sure I got that nice all the way along the edges and everything, so when the rain comes down and when the snow melts, I don't get any water going in between the step and the stucco. Okay, over there or on that inside edge, or on this inside edge here. Believe it or not, this is only about a 1/2 inch. When the water comes down here, did you know it's not going to just drop off of here? It's going to backtrack, and it can backtrack at least a 1/2 inch, maybe even more, especially if you've got snow on here. You're going to get water up in there, and if that's not been caulked and sealed with your roofing material, you could get leaks right in there to the back side of your stair riser, down underneath your flooring area, down in the basement, and you could start building up mold issues, dry rot issues, fungus issues, all kinds of stuff. Okay, and I caulked that, and then I put a layer of webbing tape, self-adhesive webbing tape there, and then some cloth tape, and then I put cloth tape from here down, cloth tape from here across here. You can see the little edge of that line. That's that cloth tape from here to there, and then from there to there, and from there up. And man, I've done a lot of work on these stairs. You would think, hey Joe, aren't you done? Can't you just leave it this way? Yeah, I could probably leave it this way, but I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to explain that to you right now. Class is now open. Now you might have been wondering, what on earth? I've got a sledgehammer out here, a hammer, a level, a 2x4. What is all this about? Well, I'm going to show you here. Get my knee pad. Let's just pick a step. I'll just pick this step right here. Okay. Now, when they install these stairs, because they're wide, because they're 4x12 material, these happen to be glulam beam material, which means there's a 2x4, 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 2x4 on edge, 3.5 inches tall, glued together. Boom, 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 boom. And that's how they built these stairs. I don't know why. Still don't know why they use glulam beam material. They should have used 4x12s, full pieces of wood. And when they installed this, when you install big, thick stairs like this, you should have them level. Okay, or maybe tilted up, the backside tilted up just a hair down to nothing, so that when water hits on here, the water has a natural tendency to stream off of these. Does that make sense? Well, when they built this, and I've explained this to you before, but if you've not watched my previous videos, that's why I'm going through this whole thing here. When they built this, they should have been more careful when they built the stair stringers underneath and all that kind of stuff, because they should have had it so that all these were flat or tilted up and coming down. Well, it's the very opposite on all the stairs that they did. This is the high point, and this is the low point. So if I were to put water on here, pour a little cup of water on here, the water would go right to that corner, from here to that corner. And that's what was happening before. There was cracks in here. The caulking had failed from whoever built this from before. These stairs are over 20 years old now. Okay, and whoever built this before, they caulked that, and then the caulking cracked, and they weren't paying attention, and the next rain, the next winter, the snow melted, went right down inside those cracks. Boom, 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 boom. And then went in through the cracks of the glue lamp beams in certain areas. And underneath this was all dry rotted, all moldy and all that. If you want to see all those videos, go to my main YouTube channel page, click on playlists, then scroll down to dry rot deck repairs, and you will not believe what I found underneath here. And underneath this area from here to there, I had to take all this apart, pulled all this down, rebuilt everything, had to cut the stair stringers, had to rebuild this, replace the two dry rotted glue lamp beam stair treads here, and I went ahead and installed new 4x12 wood here, and then I built the backside up so that these two, when I put the level on there, those two are going the right direction. They're actually tilted down, and for the sake of argument, I got my level here. This is a fairly new level. If I hold that level like that, that should tell you that if I've done it properly. Now see there, see that bubble? That means if I raise up, see? If I raise this front edge up about, oh, you see? Quarter inch, wow. It would be level. See the gap under there now? So when I push this, that's level. So when I push that down, that tells me that this stair tread is if I pour water on here, the water's gonna go, and I did that for a reason. Now let's take a look. This is the second stair tread I built. I installed, see there? Got it down tight. See where the bubble is? If I lift the front edge up that much, I'm level, see? Now, you either want it like that, or you want these stair treads flat, level. Let's put it on, I'm gonna put it on these here now, okay? And theory says they should be flat, or they should be down like this, right? You would never want this to be the high end for the water to go that way, would you? Okay, I'm gonna put it on here, and we're gonna look at the level. See how I got it flat? See where the bubble is? If I raise the front, the bubble's even further, see? Which means I would have to raise the back up about a 1/16 to maybe a 1/16 or so. See how the level? See how the bubble's level now? If I push it down all the way, see how it's off? Now it's level because I'm holding the back end up. Okay, so that tells me, what does that tell me? Level's there, but if I push it down all the way, it's not, is it? That means that this is high, that's low. Okay? Why are you doing this, Joe? Well, I've got a reason for the madness. Just stick with me. All right, let's just check this one. Oh, look at that one. It's almost level. But okay, good. That's almost level. Look at that. And we'll check it over here. We'll check it over here and see. Now see, that's almost level. That one's pretty good. I would have to, yeah, that's actually pretty good. That one, I thought all of them were off. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a mental note of that. Well, let's just keep going here. Let's just keep going for the sake of it. See there? I got a little bit of a whoopsie. Okay, that looks pretty good. There's a little high bit in there, but it's almost level. Now let's look at this one. See how far off it is? I would have to raise this backside. I'm going to raise the backside there, and there it's level. So now push it down tight, it's off. I raise up the backside. There. That tells me this back is low. Okay. Not right, is it? The majority of these are like that. See how this one is? Look at that. So I've got it down tight. I raise up the back, and it's level right there. Okay. And that tells me I'm off about a 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. That one's pretty. Ooh, that one's pretty good. Now, see, I built that back up just a little bit with the roofing material, and that one's actually pretty close now. This one I poured extra stuff on here, but I think this back end is still low. Yeah, see there? Look at that. I would have to raise this back end up like that. See? There's level. Look at that. It's about, quarter inch low there. Now let's see on this end if it's a quarter inch. Yeah, see there? Wow, look at that. So I've got to raise that back side up. There's level. See there? About a quarter inch. Now why? Why did they do that? Well, they weren't paying attention, that's why. How can I fix that now? How can I fix that now? Well, that's what this next bit is about. Stick around so I can explain it to you.